All right, here's a short video and FAQ on understanding when to use manually enter check information versus when you should be uploading a sample. So most checks, again, for laser checks, are using the software programs of QuickBooks or Sage Simply Accounting. So in those instances, if you are able to type in the information, so if there's no logo on the checks, you can type everything in there. The expectation would be that you're physically just typing in the information and then you're making sure that what you see in the check image matches. If you're going along the process and what you're typing you can't make match what's there, so maybe they've got lines on these stubs, maybe there's a custom phantom on these down here, maybe there's a bank logo, anything that's custom that the system can't do, that's when you want to be uploading an image. But by default, if it's just all text, the system should be able to do that. If it's text with a standard logo just over in the top left corner, the system should be able to do that. And so in those instances, we highly recommend that you manually enter the information. Then you're able to live proof your customer right here on the website and send them a proof yourself instantaneously without having to wait for our department to do anything. So again, 80% or more, you should be able to physically type the information in. But if that's not possible, you can always upload an image, click that button, click upload the file right here, and then you will then rebuild exactly to match this sample going forward. And so that applies to both laser checks and also to manual checks. Manual checks, same thing. If it's just text only with the logo in the top left corner, you should be able to just enter that data into here on your own. If there's any customizations the system doesn't do as you're building it out, you can come back, navigate to this step, and upload a sample. But again, we highly recommend if you can build it out to build it out. That way you can instantly proof your customers, which shortens the timeline for you to receive orders.